Are you tired of paying for expensive gym memberships or struggling to find time to make it to the gym? The good news is that you don't need a gym to build muscle and burn fat. With the right home workouts, you can achieve your fitness goals from the comfort of your own home. In this video, we'll be discussing the best home workouts for building muscle and burning fat. One.
Bodyweight exercises.
Bodyweight exercises like push-ups, squats, and lunges are effective for building muscle and burning fat. They don't require any equipment and can be done anywhere.
2. Resistance band exercises.
Resistance bands are affordable and versatile tools for building muscle and burning fat. They come in different resistance levels, so you can increase the resistance as you get stronger.
3. Dumbbell exercises.
Dumbbells are another great tool for home workouts. They are relatively inexpensive and can be used to perform a wide variety of exercises. 4.
Kettlebell exercises.
Kettlebells are similar to dumbbells but have a unique shape that allows for more dynamic movements. They are excellent for building strength and burning fat. 5.
High-intensity interval training, HIIT.
HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest. They are effective for burning fat and increasing cardiovascular fitness. 6.
Circuit training.
Circuit training involves performing a series of exercises back-to-back with little or no rest in between. This type of workout can be done with bodyweight exercises or with equipment like dumbbells or resistance bands. 7.
Plyometric exercises.
Plyometric exercises like jump squats, box jumps, and burpees are explosive movements that can help build muscle and burn fat. 8. Yoga. Yoga is a great option for improving flexibility, balance, and strength. Many yoga poses also engage the core and can help burn fat. 9. Pilates. Pilates is a low-impact workout that focuses on building strength, flexibility, and endurance. It's an excellent option for toning the muscles and burning fat. 10. Calisthenics. Calisthenics is a type of workout that uses bodyweight exercises to build strength and endurance. It's a great option for those who want to build muscle and burn fat without using any equipment. In conclusion, there are many effective home workouts for building muscle and burning fat. By incorporating a variety of exercises, into your routine and gradually increasing the intensity, you can achieve your fitness goals from the comfort of your own home.
Remember to listen to your body.
Stay hydrated. And always warm up before exercising. Thanks for watching.